Hello children, we are going to talk about the use of conjunctions and one-word substitution. A conjunction is a word that connects or joins clauses, words, phrases together in a sentence. Conjunctions are used to coordinate words in a sentence. For example, he got to the game because he completed his homework. Because is the conjunction here as it is joining two clauses. Most children like cookies and milk. And is the conjunction here because it is just joining two words, cookies and milk. The gold is hidden by the beach or by the lakeside. Or is the conjunction here joining two phrases. There are two types of conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunction joins together clauses of equal rank. The chief coordinating conjunctions are fanboys like for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, either or, neither nor are also coordinating conjunctions. Some examples are Alice cooked the dinner and Peter tidied the house. The conjunction and here merely joins two independent statements together. There was little chance of success. Nevertheless, they decided to go ahead. The conjunction nevertheless expresses opposition or contrast between the two statements. You must either obey my instructions or quit. The conjunction either or expresses a contrast between two statements. Subordinating conjunctions joins a clause to another on which it depends for its full meaning. The chief subordinating conjunctions are after, because, if, that, though, although, till, before, unless, as, when, where, why. For example, after the shower was over, the sun shone out again. He finished first, though he began late. His bark is worse than his bite. Now these conjunctions may be classified according to their meaning with reference to time. Some examples: I returned home after he had gone. Make hay while the sun shines. With reference to cause: since you wish it, it shall be done. As he was there, I spoke to his brother. With reference to purpose: he held my hand lest I should fall. Lest means in case. I asked him to move so that I could see the screen better. With reference to condition: even if you have already bought your ticket, you will still need to wait in line. The subway fare will increase whether the mayor supports it or not. With reference to concession: although the kitchen is small, it is well designed. The movies got good reviews, however, it was very long. With reference to comparison: I like her as much as you. Next example: my mother is a big fan of watching sports, whereas my father loves watching dance movies. Let's talk of correlative conjunctions. Conjunctions which are used in pairs to join sentences or phrases that carry the same general meaning and tone are correlative conjunctions. While using correlative conjunctions, there are a few points to keep in mind. Keep the subject-verb agreement in mind. For example, both the owner and his dogs run through the park. Here the correlative conjunctions are both and. Each of the correlative word must be placed immediately before the words to be connected. For example, he visited not only Agra but also Delhi. The conjunctions here are not only but also. Some other examples: I want either the cheesecake or the chocolate cake. Either or is the pair of conjunctions here. Neither Deborah nor Sally expressed her annoyance when the cat broke the antique lamp. Over here, neither nor is the conjunction. She was unsure about whether she should stay in California or move to Texas. Whether or is the pair of conjunction used here. No sooner had I arrived at the station than the train came. No sooner than is a pair of conjunctions here. Hardly had I stood near the pool when I noticed bubbles in the water. Hardly when is the pair of correlative conjunctions used here. This is a set of assignments which you will need to do in your fair notebooks. Let's talk of one-word substitution now. One-word substitution is a replacement for long and lengthy sentences or definitions. To make the language crisp, short and intact, one word is replaced with lengthy, elongated and elucidated context. One-word substitutions are very useful to convey the point very quickly without losing the meaning of the context. Some examples here are a picture of a person or a thing drawn in such a highly exaggerated manner so as to cause laughter. We have 4 options here. The answer would be caricature. Caricature is one word for this whole group of words over here. The state of being miserable, bereft of all possessions, one word would be destitute. That which cannot be called back is irrevocable. An abandoned child of unknown parents who is found by somebody is a foundling. Parts of country behind the coast or a river bank is a hinterland. Here you have in this assignment, there are 5 questions where directions are given and you will have to choose the right answer.